Unveiling the secret of flavors, layering and cooking. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to dive into the savory world of culinary arts and unravel the meaning behind the phrase, layer the flavors. This concept is not just a technique but an art in cooking that can elevate your dishes from good to great. So, whether you're a budding chef or simply a food enthusiast, understanding this term will surely add depth to your culinary skills. Layer the flavors is a phrase often used by chefs and cooking enthusiasts. But what does it really mean? In simple terms, to layer the flavors means to build a depth of flavor by adding ingredients at different stages of the cooking process. Each ingredient is meant to complement or enhance the overall taste of the dish. It's like painting on a canvas, where each stroke of color adds complexity and richness to the painting. Layering flavors is crucial because it ensures that every bite of your dish is packed with taste. It prevents the flavors from being flat or one-dimensional. By adding ingredients at various stages, you allow each one to contribute its unique flavor, aroma, and texture. This results in a more balanced and harmonious dish, where the flavors meld together perfectly, yet each ingredient's essence can still be appreciated individually. 1. Seasoning and stages. Add spices and herbs at different cooking times. For instance, adding garlic at the beginning and fresh herbs near the end. 2. Texture contrast. Combine ingredients with different textures, like crunchy nuts in a smooth soup, to add complexity to your dish. 3. Balancing tastes. Ensure that all 5 tastes, sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, are balanced. For example, a hint of lemon juice, sour, can elevate a rich and creamy sauce. 4. Temperature layers. Play with temperatures by adding cold toppings like fresh herbs or sour cream to a hot dish. While layering flavors is about creativity, there are pitfalls to avoid. Overpowering flavors. Be cautious not to let one flavor overpower the others. Balance is key. Clashing flavors. Ensure that the flavors you're layering complement each other and don't clash. Timing. Adding ingredients at the wrong time can lead to underdeveloped flavors or, conversely, flavors that are too overpowering. Mastering the art of layering the flavors can transform your cooking, making every meal an adventure for the taste buds. It's about understanding how flavors work together and how ingredients can be introduced in stages to build a symphony of taste. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, remember to layer those flavors and watch your dishes come alive. Happy cooking, and we hope this video has been helpful in your culinary journey.